My career as an automotive improvement expert began when I modified my first car. Since then, as a car enthusiast and published author, my obsession with the automobile has led me to enhance tons of vehicles, both inside and out. That's why I'm thrilled to be a part of a brand new series designed to help keep your car looking great and your engine running like new. I'm Chris Duke, and welcome to eHow's Auto Center, brought to you by Mobil 1.
Oh, hey, Chris, I'm thinking about getting some ceramic-coated headers for my car. You think they're worth the extra money?
Now, before we dive into your question, let's give a little background on the difference between standard and ceramic-coated headers. Headers are usually made from stainless or regular steel. They look great, but mostly dissipate heat just like stock manifolds. Ceramic-coated headers are exactly what they sound like, headers that have a ceramic coating bonded to them. The coating process is what causes the majority of the price increase over standard headers due to the complexity of the bonding process and materials involved. Now, as far as whether the increased cost is worth it, if you're looking for a performance increase or other benefits from a set of replacement headers, then these are some of the possible results you can expect. The ceramic coating will help insulate the engine compartment from the heat of escaping exhaust gases. This, combined with the fact that the escaping exhaust gases stay hotter longer as they exit through the exhaust system, will cause the velocity of the escaping exhaust to increase, which will in turn provide a slight horsepower increase. Now, the ceramic coating makes headers much easier to clean when detailing your vehicle. It also makes them much easier to check when looking for possible cracks or exhaust leaks. The other components in the engine compartment will benefit from the lower operating temperature due to the insulation from the ceramic coating. Now, even though a slight temperature decrease under the hood may not sound like much, anything that helps the other components run cooler helps prolong the life of your engine, and that's always a good thing. The ceramic coating is an excellent barrier against rust and corrosion. It also helps extend the life over traditional headers due to not having the same problems when it comes to expansion and flexing due to heat buildup when in use. Now, for hobbyists and hot rod builders, ceramic headers look fantastic and are much easier to keep clean when you're doing that super detailed job for a car show or other event. So with all these pluses in mind, why would you not go with ceramic coated headers? Well, cost is always a factor. If you're needing to replace the headers on your daily driver, then you probably aren't as concerned over looks or horsepower increases. And while not as flashy, OEM headers or even standard third-party replacement headers still provide more than adequate results for the job they're designed for. The final decision is going to come down to your budget and performance plans and what fits those requirements the best. I hope this information makes it easier for you to decide what's best for your vehicle. For eHow's Auto Center, I'm Chris Duke. Here's to helping keep your car running like new.